Hey everybody, today we are making a Thai sweet chili sauce. Thai sweet chili sauce is a beautiful combination of sweet and heat. You'll usually find it served with things like egg rolls or spring rolls. It's a perfect dipper. It's actually really easy to make, and I like to make a version that focuses a bit more on the heat and a little less on the sweet, but it's definitely delicious and perfect for chili heads like us. So let me show you how to make it. So to make a Thai sweet chili sauce, you can really use whatever chili peppers you want to use. It's very often made with kind of a balance between hot and sweet chilies. It's really to your personal preference depending on how hot and or sweet you want. Shockingly, I'm going to make a slightly spicier version today because I do like it hot. So here I actually have a number of Thai chilies that are nice and spicy. And I also have just some long red chilies that are not very spicy, but we're gonna add some good substance to the sauce. And as long as you wind up with about anywhere from a half cup to a cup of chilies when they're processed, that's a good amount, but it's super customizable. And you can use things like sweet bell peppers and make it mild if you want, but it's definitely awesome spicy. So I got my food processor set up here, and go ahead and add your Thai chilies to the processor. And I'll give a little rough chop to these larger chilies. Into the processor they go, just to make sure they fit in there nicely. All right, and we're gonna process these. We just wanna give a nice pulse because you don't wanna puree these chilies. You just wanna get them kind of nicely chopped up. Get some pulse action going. All right, so I've got this chopped up nicely to my preference, and I'm gonna go ahead and move this over to a bowl. All right, let's make our Thai sweet chili sauce. I've got my pot set here, and I got my ingredients all set up. So go ahead and add your processed chilies to your pot here, like so. And it's up to you if you want to de-seed your peppers. I leave them in. And I have a half cup of water, along with a half cup of rice vinegar. And you can use other vinegars if you'd like. Now we're gonna add sugar, and this is a reason why you really wanna make this at home, because you can really control the sugar. A lot of recipes call for up to a cup of sugar for this to make it very sweet, but I like to control the amount of sugar. I'm only gonna use a quarter cup, which is, to me, is quite a lot. But you can add a whole cup if you want to make it extra sweet. And I'm adding some chili flakes, about a tablespoon of chili flakes. This is really optional to you. I already have a lot of chilies in there, but yeah, I like to spice it up a little bit, so. And I have a tablespoon of fish sauce, add some deliciousness there, along with about a teaspoon of minced garlic, and my personal addition, some minced ginger, about a teaspoon or so, maybe a little bit more. That's closer to a tablespoon. All right, so I'm gonna turn on the heat here, and we're gonna heat this up, bring it to a boil, and then we'll let it simmer for about 5 minutes or so. All right, I have a good simmer going for about 5 minutes or so. So next I'm gonna go ahead and make a cornstarch slurry. This is gonna thicken up our Thai sweet chili sauce. I have a tablespoon here of cornstarch with just a bit of water. Make a slurry, mix it together, like so. You don't need a lot. You can use more if you want a thicker Thai chili sauce, but this is good for me, about a tablespoon. And we'll go ahead and swirl this in, just pour it in and start giving it a nice stir. And we're just gonna heat it through a bit until it starts to thicken up. And you'll notice that when it starts to cool, it gets even thicker. All right, so that's thickening up nicely. Oh yeah, it's already looking good. You can take a look at it. Look at that. Looks so good. All right, I'm gonna let this cool for a little bit, and then we'll take a look. All right, let's get this moved over to a bowl so we can give her a taste. Oh yeah, look at that. Yum. Seriously, this is so easy to make and very easy to customize with the amount of sugar and different chilies. So good. Seriously, check out the consistency, how nice and thick it is. It is so much better than anything from the store. So let's talk about serving. You'll definitely find it served with things like spring rolls and egg rolls, as I mentioned, but it's really great with so many other foods. It's outstanding with fried foods. So like think fried shrimp, fried chicken wings. It's great as a glaze. You can do so many things with it. Great with noodles. I love it with grilled shrimp, and that's how I'm gonna taste mine today. But again, so many uses. All right, let's give it a taste. Ooh, yeah. Seriously, just the right amount of sweet and definitely the right amount of heat for me, so delicious. Thai sweet chili sauce, my friends. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. I'd love to hear what you think of the recipe in the comments below, and I'd love to hear what chilies you use and how you spiced it up. But hey, if you feel like more spicy cooking, I hope you'll check out the amazing recipes that popped up right next to me. They look good to me, so. All right, I will see you in the kitchen next time. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Bye.